Oh, okay. It's almost 4 o'clock now. I already lost a branch. That happened yesterday, though. The wind is really picking up. It's starting to yell. Snow's starting to pile. That's actually pretty deep right now. You can't see the denseness of the snow. They're very tiny flakes, so they just fly by, and my phone is getting so wet right now. Oh, yeah. Can't see my rocks. They're covered. Oh, shit. Oh, that's going right down my jacket. It's touching my skin. Oh, I don't like it. I'll do this again in a little while. Like I said, it's almost 4 now. And look how much snow is on the bird feeder. That's crazy. So when this started, we had 5 inches on the ground. They say we're gonna get 10 to 15 inches. So I'm not all in on that one, but it is piling up quick. The wind is really whipping. That might be a little too close. There. Oh, shit. And when you want to watch out for falling branches, especially the hardwoods, because they line my road. They're all up and down this road, and a lot of them are really, I'm going to see if I can't make it down there. A lot of them are really old. I mean, of course they're old, but like dying, dead. The branch right there is across the street from my driveway, and it was almost touching the ground yesterday. It was very, very heavy snow. So I had to take the trash can away, put it somewhere else. There's the everything. That's what up my road looks like. There you can see the blizzard. Being in it is really hard to understand exactly how severe this is right now. Oh, wow. Okay. You can tell there my hands are getting cold, and I'm standing above a branch that I really shouldn't be standing above. I was just talking about how it's going to try to fall. Look at how deep this is. There's scale. My hands aren't that big, but oh, nice. Oh, I love this. This is why I love the snow. This is a really stupid place to be, but it's so pretty. My phone is getting wet, and my fingers are freezing. So I'm gonna update again in a little while. Look at it. Okay. Okay, I love you, bye.